G'day everyone, Asian Dad here. Today we're here to do the unboxing of the Dell WD15 docking station itself. But first, if you can help to support my channel or just to keep up to date with all my videos, hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. That'd be fantastic and we much appreciate it. Alright, let's do the unboxing of the WD15. So, pretty much got down here. And that's all we need to do. Okay, I'll chuck that away. So what we have here, of course, is the dock itself. You can see the dock itself. So, okay. Put that away for the time being and open that up. And just got some instructions. And then we've got the power brick itself. And that runs is 180 watts. So that's definitely will be able to power up enough power for the discrete graphics laptops. You can see, I'll get back to that one in a moment, and we've got the three-prong goes into the power itself. It's a three-prong, yep, typical three-prong, and that will go into the power adapter, nice and easy. And then right here that comes out with it is the display port, full size to mini display port. Now this was a new addition to this dock itself with the latest revision of this, so it's been fantastic. They actually included this cable itself, so we didn't have to purchase extra one for the second monitor itself. So let's now work on the stock and have a look what the stock has got. Let's pull this thing out. Alright, so we can see the output itself is USB type C. And we've got in the front here, we've got the headphone jack, we've got two USB 3s. The right side here, we've got the Noble lock itself, where you can put your constant lock. Then we've got a full-size HDMI port, a mini display port, we've got the VGA port, Ethernet port, two USB 2, one USB 3, power AC, and right up here is the speaker port as well. So you plug the speakers in there. That looks to be pretty much about all there is to it. And then of course we've got the power button at the top here. I've also done a review of this dock itself in another video. So I'll hopefully be able to put you a link above there, or at the end of the video, or even in the description you'll find the link to that video itself. And I hope you find that one useful as well. Hope you enjoy the unboxing of the Dell WD15. If you did, give it a like, it would be fantastic itself. And if you have any questions about it, please give me a comment. I'd like to hear your thoughts on what it is, or even what to do reviews next itself. And just remember, imperfections in life makes it beautiful and interesting. I'll catch you in the next video.